Want to add new apps or free up space on your phone? Today, I will show you how to install and uninstall apps on your smartphone quick and easy. So, let's get right into it. Open the Google Play Store on your phone and search for the app you want in the search bar. Tap Install, and once it's done, you can open the app right away. Now, to uninstall the app, just press and hold the app icon and click Uninstall. You can also uninstall apps from settings. So go to your settings and app. Click Manage Apps and look for the app that you've just installed. So click on it and click Uninstall at the lower part of your screen. Click OK. And that's it. Installing and uninstalling apps is quick and keeps your phone exactly how you want it. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, share with your friends, and subscribe for more tech tips like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.